How to get a course certificate on Coursera. Hi everyone, in this video you would learn how you can get a course certificate on Coursera. Now Coursera is a software or a page where you can learn many beautiful courses. And the thing is that there are free courses and there are paid courses. Alright, I just wanted to note on Coursera. And for the free courses, there are no certificates available. So if you want to get a good or you want to get a course certificate on Coursera, you have to ensure that you get the paid version of Coursera. All of the courses here, or most of the courses that you can see here, such as these three courses, are for free. And then for these courses, one would not earn a certificate. So for you to get a course that will enable you get a certificate, just move to the top part of the screen where you can see explore and then click on it. Once you click on it, the box display, just click on earn a certificate. And then once you click on that, the courses where certificates are available will be displayed. So you can just go ahead and select the one that you desire so much to learn, and then or to earn a certificate for. And then once you're done selecting, the page would load and then you'll be directed to the courses page where you can see professional certificate 10 series, etc, enroll for free and all of that, enroll, pay. Just follow this, read all of the instruction, get the course, finish the course, and then from there you would get a certification for that course. So this is how you can get a course certification on Coursera. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.